pleasant midday, Tomah High. I'm Jessie with your afternoon announcements. A reminder to seniors, make sure you are checking the high school website for local scholarship opportunities. Some deadlines are approaching in October that you do not want to miss out on. Seniors, the deadline for the October ACT is this Friday, September 28th. The October test might be your last chance to make the ACT and get your scores back in time for college application deadlines. Manufacturing Day field trip opportunity. Please sign up on the Google form by Friday if you are interested. The Activities Department is now taking sign-ups for the winter sports season. Forms are available on the table outside of the office and are due by October 3rd. High school students wearing a current year Spirit shirt get in free to home sports events. If you still need to get a Spirit shirt, they are $15 and available in the activities office. This has been Jessie, signing off.